Yeah, just missed it entirely. She nearly fell off the table. She fell off of the table. Oh boy. She's back with as much energy as ever. It's a good thing this TV is tough. It is an older TV. It is LG. But it's taken a beating from this cat, you know. The screen really isn't technically scratched, even though she's been beating on this TV for many months. I'm quite surprised. After about 4 or 5 months, the Wi-Fi antenna went out, so there's no way to really Wi-Fi this TV. What I have to do is I have to put an Apple box on it, or a Roku box. It's got an Apple box on it. And the Apple box does the Wi-Fi, but it HDMI's into the back of the TV. These TVs apparently have a 3-month warranty on their Wi-Fi. And then they have the cheapest Wi-Fi cards in them. They're designed for them. And then once the Wi-Fi card goes bad, you can't get replacement parts. The only way you can get a replacement for this TV is to find a trashed TV and extract the card and hope it works. It's really a deplorable situation, but after about 3 or 4 months, these TVs become monitors. They have no way to Wi-Fi into them because the Wi-Fi cards overheat and then they die. Really kind of sucks. Usually the Wi-Fi card is located somewhere down around the bottom of the TV so it can stay cool. But they're the first thing that overheats and then they just die. So yeah, this is a common problem with LG TVs, and they don't even want to touch the issue. If you call them and say, I've got 3 TVs with bad Wi-Fi cards, they'll just ignore you, or they'll stall, or they just won't address the problem. Yeah. And then they say, oh, sorry, out of warranty, and your parts aren't available. There's just no way to get them. So buy a new TV is what they tell you. Yeah, that's real smart. So yeah, I put an Apple box on this TV, and I can still use it for whatever I need. This is YouTube, and this is cat games on YouTube, and this is what's keeping her occupied. Oh, almost fell. So what's the priority? Is it this itchy ear or is it the gecko? Getting a little tired. Just a little out of reach, a little out of reach. It's amazing how she just kind of turns her body and rolls up to her feet. Yeah, she's a goofy cat. Missed it. It was right in front of you and you missed it.